Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 1528 Pont, Maine. She said it over the years, once in a while, every 2 years she'd have to have a camera cabled out, and then it became a year, and then now it's getting down to like every 6 months. So I came out here with my camera, the line was backed up. I ended up augering it out with my 4-inch cutter. I got it open and I threw my camera down there and see there was a couple spots with heavy roots, and then there was a big spot there near the main where it dumps into MSD's line. So I ended up running back in there with a 5-inch cutter, biggest cutter you're going to get in there, and I ended up cutting through it. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and run it back out and show you what it looks like. Be right back. Baby's so clean. It's just so clean. It hurts me. She hurts me good. She hurts me real good. Look how clean that chick is. I cleaned her up good. Ooh, ooh. Alright, so here we are at the main. As you see, there's a little offset there. It's turning and dropping down. So right here, there's a little small crack there, but it is intact. There's a bunch of roots growing in here. I was able to get a 5-inch cutter through it and cut them out real good. Pull back, see, yeah, got some roots growing in there. A little bit of root that have grown in there. That was a lot thicker earlier, but as you see, there's only some small stragglers left at the top. Like I said, I got a 5-inch cutter through it. There ain't nothing. It's a 6-inch pipe, so cut them out the best they're ever gonna get cut out. So everything appears to be pretty straight. Said there's a little offsettage that turn right there at the main, but nothing too bad. Here we are. This line's been repaired out here at one time. This is where it's coming from, PVC and the clay pipe going out. And then here we are at the riser pipe. So everything else out there looks pretty good. Yep, we cleaned them roots out. Should have no problems for at least a few more years. So thank you. Yep, I got my camera run towards the house. Here we are at the transition. This line's got a pretty good dive on it out here, so I can't get my camera to hop up into that cast iron. But there's no roots. Appears to be pretty clean. There's a little rust out on the bottom of it, but nothing too bad. That's common. Shouldn't hurt anything. So, and here we are at the pipe, riser pipe. So, thank you.